Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Infinix Hot 30. And to do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now in the top search, find Microsoft Edge. Install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open this app, and now we can begin the setup. First thing is introduction. You can read through it if you like. I'm gonna skip it. Then we have the customize of a home page, and you can show your wallpapers, most visited sites, and a newsfeed. Click on next, and here you can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and then we can accept or disagree with the data sharing. Now let's confirm it, and we'll be able to open any website. As you can see, this browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.